Ang laki ng ahas, guys. Oh.
Lightning speed.
Let's go to the next one. And guys, galing kami dyan sa the swamp. Wow! Beautiful flowers. Ang ganda ng mga flowers, guys. So, very nice. Ang gaganda ng mga flowers. Parang cowboy. Parang cowboy lang ang siya. What? Yeah. And meron pa dito, guys. So, ang gaganda ng mga... Yeah, it's very nice today. Yes. What's that? I know.
This is from a car.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty convincing.
Yeah. It's very nice. Oh my God. Never put. Whoa. You can see it. Go to the other side.
There's peacock.
Uh-huh. Maybe I'll go to the other side, Kuya. I did not see that. Wait a minute.
Yeah, and look.
Oh, it's a giant one.
Another macaque.
Oh, yeah. Very nice. The giant one. We go to bathroom? Bathroom muna tayo. Kanina pa ako naiihi. Kamay lang ka. Maybe here. So, ito yung bathroom nila dito, guys. Ayan. Pulpak ang mami, oh. Are you done? Let's go. So, ayan. Pulpak ang mami, guys.
And they might still be fighting now.
Kuya, are they fighting?
The one that's red.
Okay, let's go out
Yellow
here.
and blue was fighting the one that was blue and yellow.
Oh, no.
He's hitting himself at lightning speed. Like, and the other guy's just like going like this to himself. The other guy's just like, what are you doing?
So cute. See the other one there.
By the flightless birds. Last time those birds were fighting.
Still have other two there. I think we are done here, right?
And there's men. And so
Look, the other one there. The other two in there, Kuya.
So you know that red bird? There's two of. There might be two of that one because that box over there it was shaking earlier.
Blue and yellow. Ang cute ng mga ibon. Pagkain nila guys, oh. Apple, orange, at saka green pepper.
I think the weirdest ones are probably those dark blue ones because their eyes are yellow. Practically almost all animals have white.
Kanyang mga ibon.
North American fans.
Ang ganda ng mga ibon. At super ganda ng panahon ngayon. Hindi na masyadong malamig. Brookfield Zoo, Chicago. So, dito tayo ngayon sa Reptiles and Birds. Nagtatago yung frog doon,
Yeah, it's
guys.
camouflage.
Yeah. Did you see something here?
It says this frog is very big compared to the frog we just saw.
Ooh. Where is it? Where?
That isn't a bird. Look how big that is.
What is that?
It's right there. A lizard.
Oh yeah.
That's huge. It says there is also.
It's coming, Kuya. It's coming.
And now we get a better view of it. Look.
Oh yeah, that's the giant one too.
And right now the frog is possibly meeting its end because we saw it swim into the water and it hasn't moved since. So I think it's I'm gonna show you something.
Oh, look at that. It's giant. Ang laki ng ahas, guys. Oh. Meron pa dito, oh. Ito yung napakahaba, guys. Oh. Yan ang haba ng snake. Meron pa doon. Oh, another birds.
Right there.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, so many birds. Was that animal's weird? Because that animal's weird because as it walks, it goes like this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're very tiny, Kuya.
More tiny birds.
Mm.
Like more tiny birds over there.
Mm-hmm.
Over there, there's the tiny birds.
Yeah, it's very tiny. Push. Look at here, Kuya. We did not look at here yet. Ooh, another another snake.
Tiger rat snake.
2 snakes, kuya. Oh, 3.
3? Where?
No, it's only
I
2.
see 1.
1 and 2.
I mean, someone here read me out so I can see it. It's a chameleon. It can change colors.
Ooh. Andoon nagtatago, guys. So, kita mo ba?
And in
Sleeping, it's over there, kuya.
there's mist. That's cool.
You don't have smoke there.
There's mist.
It's over
So
there. It's
in
big.
Yeah, it's in the smoke and it's huge.
Uh-huh.
That makes it look cool. Here, see anything in here? Mom, it's a tiny fish. Look. It's really tiny. See that really tiny one?
Yeah, it's very tiny.
It's all tiny fish.
Wow, ang ganda ng mga flowers. Ang ganda ng mga flowers, guys. Oh. Ganda ng cherry blossoms.